Hey guys, we are going to review the weekend homework. It's not as long of a packet as last week, but like last week, I'm going to do a couple for you and you're going to do some of your own. I will tell you this is take 3 of this video because my computer totally froze and I had to restart it. And it's very late at night and I'm very, very tired. And I tell you that only to ask that you forgive me if I make a mistake. And if I do make a math mistake, please feel free to let me know. I won't be mad at you at all. Okay? So the table below shows how much flour Carlos needs to bake various number of scones. Carlos believes that he needs 4 cups of flour for each scone. Explain whether you agree. Okay. So my KIB here, I don't ever want you guys recopying charts. So the KIB sort of includes this chart, but it also includes this question, is it 4 cups per scone? All right, so let's take a look. If I'm looking at this, and 4 cups for each scone, Do I disagree or do I agree and why? So if I'm looking at this and I just take a brief glance and I'm kind of rushing through, I'm going to go, all right, cool. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 28 divided by 7 is 4. It's certainly proportional. Carlos is certainly seems like a reasonable guy. Yep, I agree with you, Carlos, because I have this proportional chart. And when I do these division problems, I'm coming up with 4. All right. But when I take a look at this, I'm going to label my X and my label my Y, and I remember that my constant of proportionality is K is equal to Y over X. I need to take a closer look, okay? So I have K is equal to 3 over 12, which equals 1/4. And I go here for this next line. K is equal to 5 over 20, which equals 1/4. And this next line is K is equal to 7 over 28, which is equal to 1/4. So it turns out that our friend Carlos is wrong. You don't need 4 cups of flour for each scone. You need 1/4 cup for each scone. And of course, when I think about it, it's ridiculous, the idea that I would put 4 cups of flour in a scone. So, Carlos was a little bit off. If he made you scones, they might not taste that great. Okay. So do I agree or do I disagree? Okay. So Carlos is wrong. I'm going to say we do not agree because it looks like Carlos um, switched the X and Y when doing his calculations. Okay. Each scone needs only 1/4 cup of flour. Okay.